Right. Okay. Here in this video, let's talk about action of a light dependent resistor. Right. Uh, First of all, I'll draw the circuit symbol for the LDR. For the LDR, right? You can see a resistor, and then you can see some arrows to indicate that, right? Some light is falling on the resistor, right? So this is the symbol, right? So if my picture is ugly, let me share the picture which is given in the uh, scheme of work, right? Specification, sorry, right? This is the case. I hope my picture is not that ugly, right? um, so let's talk about the function of a LDR, right? So what's the function of an LDR? Of the LDR, light dependent resistor, right? The function is, right, when the light intensity, or we call the amount of light energy, when it increases, resistance decreases, right? So I'm repeating it again. When the light intensity increases, when the light intensity falling on uh, the light LDR increases, resistance decreases. So let me write it, right? The light intensity increases, resistance decreases, right? So when the light intensity increases, resistance decreases, right? So you can draw a graph, resistance versus light intensity, right? So if you draw that graph, you get the graph like this. Right here, so you can get the resistance. Let's call, I'll get resistance from this y-axis, and here I'll call light intensity, or the light amount of light energy falling on the LDR. So when the resistance is higher, when the light intensity is smaller, and when the light increases, resistance decreases. So you get a graph like this, right? You get a graph like this. Okay. And the whole point, if I conclude that, suppose this is the LDR, right? And here it has two wires to connect to the circuit. When the light falling on the LDR, when the light falling on the LDR, when it increases, its resistance decreases, right? That's the function of an LDR, right?